Greetings to all Nigerians. Greetings to all members of Nigeria Rise Initiative. I'm here with a message of the truth. This truth may get many people offensive, but if you tell yourself the truth, you will have the knowledge to do things right. I am here with a message for the IPOB people, and I want to address the IPOB and address them clearly. And I want the IPOB people don't see it as a message of hatred or we are enemies. We are not. We are friends and we are brothers, but we must tell ourselves the truth. Before I digress into the message to the IPOB, let me talk to FFK. FFK, my name is Sir Wilson Harry Chukwudi. I am the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. You may not know me, but I am your great fans. I love you as a brother. I love you as a friend. Above all, I love you as an in-law, honorable in-law. I love you. But I must tell you this truth. Stop sending messages to the Biafrans and to the IPOB as a group. Stop sending messages to them, motivating them to do what they are doing. They are doing it wrong and you know it is wrong. Stop deceiving these IPOB people. Stop it. The IPOB must wake up from their sleep of ignorance. Because if what the IPOB are doing is good, then FFK stands the chance. It has the capacity and the ability to call the Oduduwas to do the same thing. Why is it that FFK is not calling the Yorubas to go on the streets to campaign and to protest against the government, to block the road and shout out, don't the Yorubas need freedom? But they are holding meetings, they are going due processes, but the Biafrans are on the streets shouting, blocking the road, and when they are shot, they keep shouting. My brothers and sisters, let us come to the table of the truth, and FFK, stop deceiving the IPOB people. When the IPOB sing out, there is no election in the Biafran land, that is the place they start rigging the election. The IPOB started rigging the election. Because when you declare there is no voting in your own land, that means you have already submitted yourself as a prey to your opponent. And that is the truth. But here, Nigeria Rise Initiative, we are calling the attentions of the IPOB to do things right. You must call off the no voting in Biafra land to save the Biafrans, to save the Igbos, as you claim that you are fighting for the Igbos. If you are fighting for the Igbos, then IPOB, you need to be part of the Nigerian government. IPOB, you cannot beat a government that you are not inside the government. If you want to fight a government, you fight the government from the government. You must be inside the government to fight the government and not outside the government. IPOB, stop deceiving the Igbos, and I must be honest to you. You are fighting a just cause in a wrong way. Now listen to me. Many people are following the command of Nnamdi Kanu. For me, he's a great leader. I love him. I'm a great fan. But to be honest with you, when the thing is wrong, it's wrong. Nnamdi Kanu cannot insult the government is looking referendum from. You cannot insult such government. Nnamdi Kanu, if you want to fight the government, you must be in the government, inside the government, within the government to fight the government. You cannot be outside the government and you're talking to the government. It doesn't work like that. Let us tell ourselves the truth. After all, Nnamdi Kanu is not a Nigerian. Nnamdi Kanu is not a Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of the British. He's a British citizen. So if Nnamdi Kanu really want to fight, Nnamdi Kanu have to denounce his British citizenship, come back to Nigeria, be part of the Nigeria system to fight against the government. And that is the truth. We must do things right in our country and follow the due process to achieve a single goal. I'm begging all Nigerians, we must come together for this truth, more especially the IPOB people. IPOB people, don't stop deceiving yourself. Wake up to this truth and do what is good for your people and for everyone. Now, let us come to this truth once again. If we want to do things together, We must not provoke a government. When you provoke them, they come for you, then you begin to complain. Nnamdi Kanu said he's coming back to Nigeria very soon, and he's coming with hair, and they have not seen this type before. My brothers and sisters, there is no hair that Nigeria have not seen before, and Nigeria is still in hair. We don't need more hair. Send this message to Nnamdi Kanu. We don't need more hair. We need men of knowledge to fight the process. If you go to Cameroon, there are people fighting for freedom. They never insult Cameroon. You go to Spain, there are people fighting the government. They never insult the government, but rather they become part of the government to fight the government. And that is the way to do things. Calling Nigeria a zoo does not make any sense. Nigeria is not a zoo. Nigeria is our home. Nigeria is our country. We fight together, and Nigeria Rise Initiative is calling on all Nigerians. The hour has come. Let's unite. We can make Nigeria great again. IPOB, go and vote. Everyone vote this time. Vote out APC, vote in PDP at this moment. But time is coming. We shall rise up as a nation against any bad government. For the now, to secure the condition that is in government right now, to secure Nigeria as a country, we need to vote out APC. I tell you the truth. Secondly, watch out for my next message. Sowore, in the next 20 years, Sowore can never be a president in Nigeria. In the next 10 years, no youth party can take over Nigeria if the youth don't tell themselves the truth. Watch out for the next message. I have some secrets to share about Sowore, and people should not get deceived. I have some things to say. Please, if you have not been part of us, be part of us now with this number. +601 135 483 733. Again, +601 135 483 733. Don't forget, my name is Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi. I am the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative worldwide. We need to do things correct. God bless Nigeria. God bless Nigeria Rise Initiative. Kudos to you all.